just try as best as you can. Stop trying to be perfect. Stop trying to get the perfect sentence out there, the perfect video, the perfect picture, the perfect color scheme. Stop trying perfectionism. It does not exist and never will. Business is like a fucking hurricane. There's things happening here, things happening there. Like, it's nuts. There's a lot of clients that I'll get up and running and like stuff doesn't work out as we planned, and we got to pivot. We got to change the lead in, the copy, the ad, the whole entire system needs to be completely repivoted, and like shit just happens. We cannot be perfect. Stores do not have 100% conversion rate. So why are you trying to do everything perfect? Your logo's got to be perfect. Your website's got to be perfect. Like your certain picture, like maybe your mouth is off level. Like who fucking cares? I recently posted a picture a couple days ago, me in a parking garage with my car, and the filter was shit. Like I didn't care about the picture. I care more about the message below it. A lot of people who I work with care about stupid shit too. They're like, oh, my photo's off, or like he spelt this word wrong. Like no one cares about the word being wrong. It's about the offer and the message. No one cares about that shit. Marketing at scale, if you try to be too perfect, it doesn't really plan out for you. I don't care if I spell something wrong. I don't care about that shit. It doesn't move the needle, okay? A certain picture having a border and something else not. Like who fucking cares? That's not gonna move the needle in your business. You need to start doing things that are calculated. Start enhancing your sales processes. Get your sales team on core with your, not just your values, but your scripts, and optimizing those scripts, and think about shit that moves the needle. Delegation, your ads, are they efficiently, budgeted? Are they getting, quality leads? Are they getting the right buyers? Are you finding the right people to join your business? Like, think about the things that move the needle. Stop thinking about shit that is completely irrelevant, doesn't make any sense, and there's just like a little tiff that people have. Because when you focus on shit that doesn't matter, it usually means one thing. You're focusing on that shit because you're afraid to focus on the real thing that's fucking you up. And when you stay away from that one thing that's fucking you up, it's because it's easy, because that thing up there requires more work. Changing a profile pic and doing these little bullshit things is the escape from that big ass thing that you don't want to do because you don't want to put in the work, or you think that it's too daunting. Stop focusing on small shit. Start playing the game, your mind game at scale. Like, put the systems in place, optimize the shit that moves the needle and makes the money, rinse, repeat, and keep fucking going.